Hello everybody, my name is Andrew. Welcome to 15-second Profit Warrior Review. My website is ojamesmarketingsolution.com. This is Miracle 15-second traffic hack revealed. What a complete newbie bank, $171 a day using a 15 seconds. Free buyer traffic loophole, then duplicate her exact result in mere second without spending a dime. No paid ads, no email list, backed by real result. Specially made for beginners, backed by real case study in one solution. Free buyer traffic in 15 seconds. No future investment or 30 days money back guarantee. Guys, if you are interested in software, please stick with me while I take you to my bonuses. Get 15-second Profit Warrior now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1. Access Continuum. Do it for you first 24 only. This Continuum do it for you will help you as you purchase 15-second Profit Warrior. This will help you in your affiliate marketing and give you more monetizing in your every niche. Bonus number 2. 4 proven insider tips for making great channel content. This one also will help you in 15-second Profit Warrior. Bonus number 3. 15-second Profit Warrior. Hack 24K followers in 24 hours. That is, if you purchase 15-second Profit Warrior and start using it, you will get more results than anything you have used before. Bonus number 4. 15-second Profit Warrior will help you 35 plus bonuses to use in your products. Bonus number 5 is all vendor bonuses. Guys, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and look down to below and click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown time hits 0. Guys, this bonuses package expire in 4 days, so click here to secure your coupon and your bonuses. We are in the members area. Here at the dashboard. Welcome, introduction, theory, and practical. Now you click this welcome. It will give you about 3 slides. Congratulations, and the money in 7 days. Welcome by Dan. Then if you click introduction, it will give you so many slides. Overview, intro to YouTube Shorts, about YouTube Shorts, why YouTube Short is even present, similarity between regular YouTube and YouTube Shorts, difference between YouTube and YouTube Shorts, YouTube's versus TikTok versus instant reels. Example of channels with YouTube Shorts. Benefit of YouTube Shorts. Do's and don'ts. Faceless YouTube. Then you click the theory. It will give you another slide. Want to put in your description, title, tags, hashtags, using music. The practical has so many slides using mobile screen on desktop, smartphone in-built screen recorder, smartphone screen recorder with an app, how your YouTube timeline shows YouTube video and short shared on our smartphones, uploading canvas horizontal video change into vertical video, importance of links, how to give CTA in literally seconds, how does YouTube identify YouTube Shorts, how does YouTube boost YouTube Shorts, YouTube Shorts official video, YouTube channel creation, YouTube channel important customization, YouTube important default setting, list building, get affiliate links on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, do it for you shortcut, make a few time incomes. All these are little videos that will watch, that will give you all the information concerning this great software called 15 Seconds Profit Warriors. Guys, don't forget, this software will give you all possible information that you use in navigating your affiliate marketing. Get instant access now. This software has one traffic and an offer. So once you have this two figure out, you are destined to make money online. But let's get real here. It is real that simple, of course, will not. Because these two components are code that can feel important to solve. Number one, traffic. What all know that traffic is the lifeblood of any business. Unfortunately, most methods take a long time to kick in. You may end up spending $1,000 on junk traffic. Not all traffic is created equal. It is hard to find something that sticks. Second, offer. Everyone needs an offer to make money. However, creating your own product is overwhelming, anytime consuming. Many need to pay thousands of dollars before being able to promote an offer. Luxury offers are all over the internet. It is time to fix both this problem. And this is meet the 15-second hacker actor. She is the creator. Like many, I struggled early in my online career with creeping traffic and luxury offers. But after shifting gears, I went on to make thousands in 2021 while cutting my work time by hours. Now I firmly believe the only legitimate proof of success is if it can be repeated by others. A lot of tactics shown by top marketers do not work. For newbies like us, I had to find the most beginners-friendly way to get sales and traffic. And I had to find it fast. That's when 15-second profit warrior, there are many results within the first day of using this system. Today you can make this amount, yesterday this amount, and yesterday this amount, yesterday again this amount, and so on and so forth. These are what the people who have used 50-second profit are saying. You can read everything here. Guys, click here to secure your coupon and your bonuses. Let's talk about the price and upsell. 15-second front end is $12.95. Downsell is $13. 15-second OTO2 is $67. Downsell is $37. 15-second OTO4 is $67. Downsell is $37. 15-second OTO1 is $37. Downsell is $27. 15-second OTO3 is $97. Downsell is $67. 15-second OTO5 is $497. Downsell is $397. Front end 15-second profit warrior is $12.95. I said the powerful 15-second profit warrior software and training modules. Upsell number 1, proven version, $37 and downsell $27. Get advanced training, proven converting campaigns, and even more hacks to convert up to 10 times higher. Upsell number 2, do it for you money makers, $67 and downsell is $27. This is virtually a do it for you setup of the system. Get all the do it for you campaign you need to basically plug into the front end system. Cut your work time by 10 times and start profiting even faster. Upsell number 3, unlimited traffic is $97 and downsell is $7. All customers put to their pistol on our sales package and have a virtual email list. Our package gets hit by multiple 1,000 of buyers. These buyers are yours for the taking. Upsell number 4, reseller rights, $97 and downsell for $7. Get commission of 15-second profit warrior and start banking in 2 times more commissions. Everyone knows the true path to profit is by having 100% commission. Upsell number 5, coaching, $497 and downsell $397. This is our exclusive coaching platform, including live weekly call for an entire year. In addition, members join an exclusive mastermind for more on the fly coach and networking. We only know mentorship is the ultimate shortcut to result. This is the answer for customers that want the best. Guys, click here to secure your coupon or your copy and your bonuses. Don't fail to secure your copy now, for the price will increase if the bonuses package expires. It expires in 4 days. It expires in 4 days. Get your copy now and use 15-second profit warrior. It is efficient and it's important. You grab it, especially for the new beginners, the newbies. Bank on this 15 seconds profit warrior. Guys, if you like everything I've shown you so far, subscribe to my channel get everything you want on this channel, and you will be amazed what 50-second profit warrior. Guys, I will let you watch the more information on this 15-second profit maximization.
Hey guys, and congratulations. Now, why didn't I say thank you? Because you are about to witness a 100% proven method. Yes guys. Okay, on this page right here, there is no big ass money screenshot that says 40 billion in last 30 days and make $2,000 over here in a day and make $2,000 over here in 41 seconds and all of that. Okay, and there is absolute no such thing as press a magic button and get 440 million free buyer traffic to any link. Enough of all of that, right guys? Enough. Hey guys, my name is Bjørn Johansson, and probably just like many of you out there, I lost a lot of money on those exact pages you see where they have the big money screenshot, the magic push button system, and done for you, and all of that, right? I actually ended up losing $20,000, my house, my girlfriends, my car, and my family at some point. And a lot of you guys are probably in the exact same situation, that you feel frustrated. You feel like it's your fault that you aren't making this internet marketing thingy work or make money online, quote unquote. So listen guys, I want to present to you 15 seconds profit warrior. Not only me and my partner are using this system, but we got a complete newbie to get us this system, and within a few days she made $171, okay, in 15 seconds of work. That is equal to if you stand up, go to the bathroom and back again. No, then you probably forgot to wash your hands if that only took you 15 seconds, but you get the point, right? Listen guys, there is a traffic loophole that allows you to only spend 15 seconds in that loophole a day and will get you a ton of free traffic. This underground traffic source is trying to compete with the big guys, okay? And listen, these softwares that says that if you press this button, you're gonna get 440 million free buyer traffic to any link. We all know by now that when you press that gigantic magic button that usually don't work even, but when you press that, it shares to Pinterest, it shares to Instagram, it shares to YouTube, it shares to TikTok, it shares to Facebook and all of that. And now that is also completely fine and dandy and wonderful if you have followers, subscribers, and some kind of audience. Okay guys, with 15 second warrior, profit warrior, you don't need to have either of those things. If you are brand new, if this is the first time you're trying to make money online, this one can help you, and it can help you extremely fast. Okay guys, listen, all it takes is 10 minutes of your time, first time, to set it up. Then after that, each day you only have to spend 15 seconds. Now why? Because this loophole is trying to compete with the big guys. Okay, so when you spend 15 seconds in this loophole, it's going to push out any link that you want. Okay, and if you don't have any idea what link to go to, we have inside of 15 second profit warrior an A to Z, how to start it, what offers to send it to, and bang, you make some money. Okay, it doesn't get any easier than this. Guys, listen, what you need in order to make money online is two things. Okay, you need traffic and you need something to sell. Right? That's it. That may sound pretty simple, but we all know that is not the truth. Okay, that is why you probably are here on this page, because you are looking for a way to make some real money online. And guys, we have figured it out. Listen, people tend to overcomplicate everything, And that is fine. That is because they want to present to you some kind of new opportunity where that thing they have created is the new best thing. Okay? Now, I figured it out. My partner Dan figured it out. Our partner Actor figured it out. And listen, it gets complicated when you're trying to reinvent the wheel. Okay? What you want is just to copy what is already proven for somebody else. Okay? And this exact thing is that thing that you need to copy. Does that make sense, guys? Okay? So listen. You are here because you want to go somewhere in your life. Maybe you're just like me, that I went on this journey to make money online because I wanted to provide for my family, because they saved me probably from dying at an early age for drug addiction and alcohol addiction. And they saved me, so I went on this make money online journey. And again, I ended up losing $20,000 on these broken softwares and false promises. And I ended up losing my house. I had to move into a basement because I had no money to live. And I was kept trying, probably just like you are. Maybe you have been trying it for months, maybe you have been trying it for years, but you keep trying, and you keep trying, and you keep trying. Why? Because you have somewhere that you want to go. Maybe you hate your job. Maybe you want to see the world. Or again, maybe you want to provide for your family, just as I wanted to. And I can now do that, right? Thanks to especially one of these methods inside of 15 Seconds Profit Warrior. Because it doesn't matter if you have 0 followers, 0 audience, 0 subscribers. If you have nothing, you don't need an email list. Okay? You don't need an email list, you don't need complicated funnels, you don't even need to capture these emails in order to make money. And everybody says the money is in the list, but it's not needed with this method.
Guys, subscribe to this channel and you get everything you want from this Profit Warrior. Thank you for watching my review and subscribe to my channel.